Who is that? Who is it? Feel it out a little bit. Who is it? Feel it out. Who's gonna make the first move? Who's gonna blink first? Who wants it more? Huh? Who is that doggy? Who is that doggy wagging his tail? Huh? He's holding your gaze quite well. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. You gotta figure this out though. It's called a mirror, okay? Right? I understand. It's understood. Beats me. That was a nice try. I would have gone with that a little bit earlier, but that's okay. I know. It's frustrating. There you go. You figured it out. It's a mirror. And then there. See? High five. How about that? That's pretty interesting, isn't it? Learn something new today. Uh-oh. You've angered the gods.